Hi, I'm Sailesh from Karur. I'm studying in Fiji Sri Peramdur branch in the course Pinnacle for 2-year program. During my 10th standard, I was interested in joining engineering, so I found that IIT was the best for that in India. So my friends told that Fiji would be better for you, and I got to know about the FTRE examination through newspaper, and I joined Fiji during my 11th standard. My friends who studied in Fiji told me about the wonderful results it produced in IIT JEE and other competitive examinations, and that's the reason why I chose Fiji and not any other institution. I wrote FTRE examination during my 10th standard, and I found it very difficult because I was studying in matriculation, and I prepared well for it, and I got a scholarship of 65% in that examination. I found a huge difference in the classroom environment of the previous school to that of Fiji classrooms. Fiji classrooms were very comfortable and I felt it really different. Fiji teachers were really helpful for me. They used to spend a lot of their time in clearing my doubts, and my friends too. They never discouraged me, they always encouraged me. Fiji conducted a lot of quizzes, CPPs and tests which were very helpful to me, and they were totally different from those of the tests conducted from the school. They gave a detailed analysis of my performance in those tests. I really felt very happy to join Fiji during that period. As I was studying in matriculation board before joining Fiji, I thought that it would be difficult for me to crack IIT JEE. But as soon as I joined Fiji, the teachers encouraged me, and the tests and the performance results, I gained confidence from those tests, and really my confidence level increased after joining Fiji. The All India Test Series, GMPs, Master Assignments and RTPS were really a very advanced level. They were even more than the IIT level. All the tests conducted by Fiji helped me during the last period, and mostly the All India Test Series made me to know all about my level all over the world. It really helped me. It is advisable to use a specialized book for each subject, because if we use many books, it is a waste of time. We won't have time for self-study and self-preparation, and it will also confuse us. The terms given in each and every book, the concepts may vary a little, so it will confuse us. So it is better to use specialized book for each subject, and it is more important to follow only one coaching institute, study material and study. It is better to join Fiji or some coaching institute during 8th and 9th standards, because we can start our preparation coolly and without any tense. Fiji is a good mentor, and it helps us to improve our overall personality development and our skill in the subject and our performance in all competitive examinations.